This video tutorial I will cover how to inject the map which is having a dependent object using Spring Dependency Injection by setter method. Here I have defined the class fruit. It has two properties, name and color, and here I have defined setter and getter methods for these two properties, and here I have overridden toString method. Here I have defined the class fruit shop. It has two properties, shop name and map of available fruits. Map can accept integer and fruit. Fruit is a dependent object. Here I have defined setter and getter methods for these two properties, and it has display fruit shop info method. This is a Spring configuration file. Here we have mentioned fruit1 object, fruit2 object, and fruit shop object should be created by Spring container using Spring Dependency Injection by setter method. Property element which invokes the setter method. Fruit1 object name will be set as apple and color will be set as red by Spring container by calling setter methods of name and color. Fruit2 object name will be set as grapes and color will be set as violet by the Spring container by calling setter methods of name and color. Fruit shop object shop name will be set as fruit mart and map of available fruits will be set as map by the Spring container by calling setter methods of shop name and map of available fruits. And map contains two key value pairs. First key value pair key is 1 and value is fruit1 object, which is this one, and second key value pair key is 2 and value is fruit2 object, which is this one, and map element is used to define the map and entry element is used to define the key value pair. What object to instantiate, what object to configure, and how to configure. These information will be there in Spring configuration file. In this example, we have specified fruit1 object, fruit2 object, and fruit shop object should be created by Spring container using Spring Dependency Injection by setter method. Spring container read this Spring configuration file and creates a fruit shop object and configure the fruit shop object and manage the complete life cycle of fruit shop object. Here I have defined the class app, and here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file. Using getBean method of application context object, I am getting fruit shop object from Spring container and displaying the fruit shop information. Here you can see the output, and fruit shop object shop name is set as fruit mart and map of available fruits contains two key value pairs. First key value pair id is 1 and value is fruit1 object, which is dependent object, and second key value pair key is 2 and value is fruit2 object, which is dependent object.